So I bought the Mantis dry fire system a couple years back, and so far I've been very impressed. This tracks your movement as you take a shot. Along with this, there is also a laser academy that goes into your laser academy is the app. There's a laser that goes into your barrel, and you're able to basically track all your shots as you're doing them. One issue I had was that my gun does not have a Picatinny rail, so I was never able to use the sensor for maybe over 2 years. I know they offer one, and I looked it up, and my issue is that I do not want to disassemble my clip every time I want to add that feature and then disassemble it again so I can have it regular use. And I know you can probably leave it on there, but I don't like it. So I decided basically I would just create a little Picatinny rail that I can mount onto the bottom of my clip, preferably just slide it on and slide it off. Here's the CAD design at the bottom, and you know, the blueprints for the Picatinny rail. Went through, CAD'd it up, and threw it on the 3D printer. This orientation didn't work very well, especially like the printing pattern. It made the clips very weak, and also the inside, I was just scrapped it up. Reprinted it again, different orientation, less trees to support it, and bam, you could see I kind of missed a little section there. It's hard to tell, but it slides right in, and I'm able to clip everything into place. Everything worked out perfect on that first design, but I thought I could improve upon it. So basically I went ahead and modeled the whole clip. That way I can make a dummy clip with the rail already attached to it. That way, you know, you don't run the risk of accidentally leaving a bullet inside of the barrel, inside of the clip or something. But basically I just reprinted it, and now I have my perfect little kit. I just throw on the sensor and load it up. If Mantis wants his design, they can have it. Just reach